Hey guys, so here we are. As you can see, I fitted the angle. This angle's for the back door. We're going to work on that now. It's all been screwed, bolted in. There's one of the bolts. Strong as. So the back panel is coming up here. This is where the door is going to open up. We're going to measure it out, cut the door out, and cut the actual framework out. Then we'll try cutting the door out. We'll see how we go. Alright guys, getting ready to cut the door. So, don't know if you can see it, that line there, that's the edge of the door. This aluminium angle, that is actually a guide for the saw to run along. I'm not real good at freehanding straight lines, but I've got to try and get this as kind of accurate as I can. So this will be the door frame. The door will then get marked out and cut out from here. So I suppose let's see how I go. So what I've got to do now is mark out the angle. It's going to go up here, push up against and locate to. So let's do it. Okay, so what I've got in here is a spacer. Tell me exactly whereabouts the door's gonna go. This here is the angle, the brace, and this, it's got to go there. My first couple of screws have got to be just right. I think that went pretty good. Okay, that's looking all right. Okay, let's just put this panel up and have a bit of a look. This will be a bit of a dry run. So the door is going to get marked out and cut out of here now. Okay, that's a bit of a look from the inside. Alright guys, I've got the door marked out. I don't know if you can see it, but got a drill hole here, that's where the hinge goes. Once the hinge goes over, you won't see that drill hole. Yeah. I don't know how this is going to go. I'm going to cut it all out with the jigsaw. Basically, I'm just going to take this really steady and see how it goes. Okay guys, I've trimmed up the door. I hope it's enough. Cleaned it all down. So it's going to be a bit of a hit and miss, but I'm going to paint it all up now. And once it's all painted up, I suppose there's a couple other things that's got to be done to the door before it gets fitted, but anyway, let's paint it up, see how we go. Okay, that's the outer framework of the door. It's had about 4 coats of paint on that side. So, be good enough to turn over. Okay guys, so we've got the glue down. It's time now to fit this back panel. That's it guys, that's the back door frame in. Be good and solid, good and solid.